Hello guys, welcome back to Cupertino Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix your 5G network is not working after iOS 17 update, which is happening for many of users right now, and how we can fix this. So the first one, when you're having this trouble, the first and foremost step what we need to do is we just need to do a reset network settings. For this we just need to tap over here in the settings. Now from here navigate to general. Now keep scrolling down and navigate to transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset. There is an option called reset network settings. Just do the reset network settings. After the reset network settings is done, we just need to check and you will be able to fix this. I had the issue, but right now I'm able to use the 5G because I set this up. So after reset network settings, it worked for me. So you can try this out as the first one. Next one is all about nothing but what we need to do is we just need to check the 5G network availability. So it depends from region to region. For example, some places won't be supported by 5G or the network will not be available there. So in order to check it, just tap over here in the settings. Now from here navigate to mobile service. Now from here we just need to go to mobile plan. Over here we have to select the network selection and not this one. Sorry, just tap over here on the mobile data. Now from here tap on voice and data. Right now as you can see there is 5G auto, 5G on and LTE. So LTE is what so if 5G is not available you can set this to LTE, but right now the 5G is available for me. Both 5G auto is available, so I have set this up to 5G auto because the network is available in my location, and that is what we have to do. The next one is all about we have to update the carrier settings. For just go over here in the general, tap over here in the about. So whenever the carrier settings is update is necessary and if it is available, you'll be getting the update option from here, and once updated up and afterwards we can try using this app. So these possible workarounds can be used, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.